Go for it.
Have any of you ever heard of the theory of the butterfly effect? Well, the most commonly used example is a butterfly flapping its wings on one side of the world can cause a hurricane on the other. This meaning that small actions cause huge effects. Another example, trash left on the beach and ends up in the ocean and results in millions of seabirds and mammals to die of ingestion of plastic each year. This is global warming. So what we're going to go over today is what is global warming, some causes and effects, and what you can do to help save our planet. So what is global warming? According to the Natural Resources Defense Council, global warming is the average global temperature increasing at a rapid rate each year. So according to National Geographic's, two major causes of global warming are the greenhouse effect and human activity. So what is the greenhouse effect? It's a warming of Earth's surface and the air above it. It's caused by gases in the air that trap the energy from the sun. So these gases allow the sunlight into the atmosphere but keep some of the heat from escaping. So the more greenhouse gases there are, the more heat that's trapped, which makes the Earth warmer. And an example is carbon dioxide and water vapor. The second major cause is human activity, according to National Geographic's. Humans play a big role in increasing the greenhouse effect due to our demand for burning fossil fuels such as coal or gas. And it increases the amount of greenhouse gases released. So along with us burning these fossil fuels, we have handmade pollution that's created. So as I referred to in the beginning with the plastic, like an example would be the 100 million tons of plastic we produce each year, and plastic isn't biodegradable. So 10% of that plastic ends up in our oceans and creates water pollution. And it's disrupting our ecosystem. So according to conserveenergyfuture.com, there was a list of 35 ways to help save our planet. So I chose 3 easy ways. So the first one is reduce, reuse, recycle, which is a very common phrase. And it basically means just cutting back on waste and reusing and recycling waste that we may or may not want. The second is conserving energy. So an example would be turning off a light that you're not using in your house. It's very simple, but it makes a big difference. And driving less. So this obviously doesn't mean you're gonna take your bike from Harlem and take it to Mercy. But if you're going down the street, you can invest in a bike and take your bike there, and it reduces carbon dioxide. So in conclusion, we've gone over what global warming is, 2 major causes of it, and some ways to prevent it. So climate change is a real and serious issue, and like the butterfly effect, turning off a light is something that's really small and you don't think it would make a difference, but it really does. And that's my works cited.